What's going on, guys? My name is James Collects, and if you're finding me for the first time, I am both a nerdy collector and an eBay reseller. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ditoo by Divoom. Now, they were lovely enough to get in contact and say, James, do you want to unbox one of these for us? I said, yeah, it looks awesome. Of course I will. So without further ado, let's have a little look. So, it comes in a gift bag, which is nice, but it also comes in what I can only presume to be an American fridge-inspired case, which is fairly durable. However, that freaks me out. The flexible handle, something about it just does not compute in my mind. So setting it up, believe it or not, is fairly easy. It comes with instructions and everything. Not only that, but it also comes with some pixelated art stickers. So we've got a donut, fox, cactus, I love Divoom, Santa Claus, pumpkin, carrot, cake, I love Divoom, world art, pixel stuff, lips, a woman, some emojis, world, robot, world, and then there's a spaceship, there's a pig, there's a hamburger, there's a dog, and there's a dolphin. But no one's really interested in that because you want to see the device itself. So I'll be honest, I'm not a massive techie. When people say, so this so speaker size and it does all this and that, it means absolutely bloody nothing. But I'm going to tell you anyway. So it weighs about 500 grams. Luckily, I know what grams are, so that's that's a win. That's a win. The output power apparently is 10 watts, and the speaker size is 45 millimeters. The playback time is 6 to 8 hours. Admittedly, I've not fully tested that yet. The battery capacity is 3,000 milliamps. I don't know what that is, but it seems good to me. And the battery charge time apparently is 4 hours. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 and the wireless range is up to 10 meters. So, without further ado, let's turn it on. And I've got to admit, I do really like this. So it's a pixelated art Bluetooth speaker, which is fantastic. It's just a good retro type item, and you can do games and stuff. So there's games, some sort of an art based thing, which I've not gone too far into that yet. There's also a stop clock, and then there's music settings as well, which I think, yeah, that's for your Bluetooth and your SD card. I haven't actually used the SD card yet either. I don't have a spare SD card, which is why I haven't done it. But if we go into the games, I've got no idea what that is. I've got no idea what that is. I've got no idea what that is. Or that. Or that looks like... No, that's Flappy Bird. I've done this before and I was so bad. And you need to put on this twice, by the way, because you can actually die straight away. But you can, once the game has loaded, you can actually flip from game to game. So you need to pull on the lever to actually make the Flappy Bird flap. I think my highest score on this device, because I've tried recording this far too many times for my liking. I think my highest score was 7 or 8, which I think I have possibly just beat that. Now this is gripping viewing. I know that you're all glued to your screens. There we go. I had to die at some point. 12. Oh, 16. That's not bad at all. So other games, so as I say, you're in the start menu. You can actually go left to right, so you can see what the other games are. So it's like a racing game. Snake. Is it Pong or Ping? I can't remember. Then we've also got... Oh, I don't know what that one is. Oh, it's Tetris. I do know this one. I did that wrong. You press up to change what the actual bits are doing. But I did that completely wrong, which is really annoying me. So we'll come out of that, and then we'll go back into the games. And we'll go back into that one, which is Tetris. Is that like a slot machine? What is that? Oh, Magic 8 Ball. Will this video go viral? Try to make it go viral. Will Divoom be ever so kind as to send me a really big version of this? I thought I pressed it. Didn't press it hard enough. Nope. I'm going to die, apparently. Well, let's finish that there. So, this also comes with an app. By the way, there's QR codes absolutely everywhere. So, if you ever need to find the app, it's really straightforward and easy. But it's just called Divoom. So when you open up the app, you can do a multitude of things. So you can actually have pixels on in the background while playing your music. So you can search for multiple things, such as Pokemon, which, oh no, I've searched for game by accident. Let's go back to Pokemon. So this is one of their smaller products. So you do get a bigger one, which it looks absolutely amazing. I would imagine the speaker would be far better than what this is as well. So you have to imagine with this and the app, on the app, it will cater to a lot of their devices, whereas this being a smaller screen, you may not be able to fit all of the pixels into the one. So if I find an example of what won't happen, so like this Mew here, on the screen, it looks absolutely amazing. If we put it onto this smaller screen with the pixels, it's going to essentially simplify it to that. Which it still looks really cute, to be fair, but it doesn't look anything like it is on the picture. However, if we go to something like a running Pikachu, which I do really like, it looks amazing. I really do like it. And you can actually design your own ones, and it can also play to the music as well, which I do need to play around with, but I'm not quite there yet. I quite like that as well. I have a heart, my friend. I like that. I'll come back to you later. So you can design ones yourself. Just be warned. You need to be smarter than me, which admittedly is not very hard. But let's play some music. And was that a shining Pokemon? There's a green Charmander. What is going on there? It's not even the right shiny. Okay, I'm getting distracted now, just searching for things. Oh, there's a Mewtwo. Ah, I can't do it on mine. I need a bigger screen. But there's loads. If we search for Zelda, for example, there's loads of Zelda artwork as well, which again is just awesome. Oh, look at that. How can you not be a fan of that? It just sparkles. If we go for Mario as well, because why not? Let's get all the tags in there. Mario has announced that it's doing... Oh no, Sonic that's doing Lego. So we've got Mario, we've got an egg, it's hatching, and inside is Yoshi. So let's go for Sonic, because that's potentially going to absolutely bang soon, because as I say, they've got a Lego set coming out. Ah, that's wicked. That's so simple, but I absolutely love it. So, right, let's get some music playing, shall we? So, I've gone for one of my favourite royalty-free artists, and it is Joachim Karud. So we're going to be playing some Dreams. Okay, so it's now playing, and obviously we've got the Sonic ring in the background. So, as I've said, I'm not a massive techie. I don't know how good the speaker quality is. All I know is, to my ears, that sounded good. It looks good. I'm going to have it on in my background, and I'm going to be playing music from it. It's as simple as that. I will try to leave links for this particular product and any other products that Divoom may have out there. And again, a massive thank you to the company to actually sending this out to me completely for free. A genuine pleasure to unbox it, and I will definitely be using it. But that is it from me. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I will see you lovely lot in the next video. Good gaming and happy collecting. Peace.